In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request access to a Google Drive file. Whether you've received a link to a file but can't quite open it yet, or you've stumbled across a file on Drive you urgently need access to, we're about to walk through the process of requesting the access you need. First, let's dive right into it. You'll begin by clicking on the link you've received to access the specific Google Drive file. Now, this link might come through an email, a shared document, or even a chat message. Clicking the link should redirect you to a Google Drive page where the file is hosted. If the file is restricted, you'll see a page indicating that you need permission to access the file. Once you land on this page, you'll notice there's a Request for Access button prominently displayed. But before you proceed, let's take a moment to understand your access options. You should be aware that there are generally 3 levels of access that you can request: Viewer, Commenter, and Editor. Each has different permissions. Viewer allows you to only view the file, Commenter lets you leave comments and suggestions, and Editor grants you possibilities to modify the document or file. So choose wisely based on your needs. Now, after deciding which access level suits your needs, you'll want to click on the Request Access button. But don't rush through. Here's an essential tip. Before hitting that button, you have the opportunity to add a personal message. This can be crucial, especially when you want to clarify why you need access or to remind the owner who you are. Crafting a respectful, clear message can significantly improve your chances of getting the access you need. To do this, look for a section where you can write your message. Explain your reason for needing access and make sure to use polite and professional language. Being transparent about your intentions and how you plan to use the document can go a long way. Once your message is ready and everything looks good, you can proceed by clicking the Request Access button. After you've submitted your request, a notification is sent to the file owner, letting them know that you've asked for access. At this point, all you can do is wait for them to review your request. Remember, patience is key. Depending on the owner's availability and the importance of your request, it might take some time before you receive a response. You'll be notified about the decision via email. If you don't hear back immediately, consider following up if it's urgent. And there you have it. You now know how to request access to a Google Drive file, a straightforward yet essential process that ensures you get the information or data you need while respecting privacy and permissions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.